Welcome back to my channel, my dear viewers. Right now I want to show you guys how to use your Dash virtual card on Binance without the use of OTP. But though actually the platform is currently down, you might be seeing errors like insufficient fund, unable to process transaction and other things. The reason being that a lot of transactions have failed previously and there has been a lot of debits, whereby a lot of people have complained severally. Some people that didn't even get excess refund, where even the account were thrown into debit. So all those issues need to be rectified. I think maybe it's the first time Dash is actually experiencing this, because they started their virtual card service not long. So I think it always happens to any business when you introduce something new and you're having a lot of traffic at the time. So I believe that's one of the reasons their card transaction has not been going through. But when it actually starts going through, I think Binance is the first place you want to try, because it gives the highest profit so far, because you can even make up to 200k from your 300k limit. From the previous transaction I did, I can assure you that was what I saw, even though I didn't really run the full 300k limit. So let's just give it a try right now. So now let me just show you, in case the transaction is back, the card is back. All you need to do is just go to your Binance app. And one good thing is that on Binance, okay, this one I was just trying it out the last time I did. So the last transaction, one thing about Binance, it doesn't even require OTP, it goes straight. So make sure here you need to make sure you are using buy with GBP. How do you change to that? I know your own might be showing P2P or something. So all you need to do is just go to your funding wallet, go to your funding. Once you go to funding, go to P2P. Just make sure you change the currency to GBP, that's all. Once you change it to GBP like it is on mine, just go back. Some of you, it may not work. It may show you that a card is not allowed, a card in your country, card services in your country is not allowed or something. Make sure you use web. Try to use web first. So if it doesn't work, try someone else's Binance, so it might work. But always try web first. It's because mine do work. And sometimes even if it show you that, after a while it actually do show me the same thing, that card service is not allowed, this and that. Then after a while I left it for like 48 hours. After 48 hours I tried it again, it worked. It's now added my card. So now all we need to do is USDT. You are using GBP to buy GBP with USDT. So you are buying USDT right now. So let's say I'm using 100 GBP. Then you confirm. I've already added the card. So if you're adding the card, you need to add some details like your card details and some other things like that. So for mine, I already have the card details here. So here you input the CVV. I need to pause the video. So after inputting the CVV, all you need to do is just click on next, that's all. Then now address, you use your address, you can use any address. So once you put your address, let me just use this 800271, cities Kaduna, countries Nigeria. So for security reasons or for some other reasons, I won't be showing my address. Once I just click on address, once I input my address, the next thing I'll click is confirm. So I'll do this. So after inputting and confirming, it will bring you to this page. Then you click confirm before the time elapses. So this is what it will show you. Mine, it's always show insufficient balance. It's not because I don't have sufficient balance, but it's actually because the transaction is not going through. So you can get different errors. So this is the error I get for mine. So once it's back, just the first place you should head to, I think it's Binance. it's more profitable, it's stress free safe, because you don't need to be waiting for the OTP, and some OTP will even come after it has expired. But when you use Binance, you don't have issue of that OTP or something. So just run it, you just go straight up, you hit it. But currently I think the the card working is just GT Bank, and recently I had Access has actually increased their limit to $50 as well. So for more information, if you have any question, any query, any addition, anything, any suggestion or something, or whatever you think we should make video on, you can just drop it for me in the comment section, or you can always see my phone number to my WhatsApp. That's my WhatsApp contact on my page, this channel description. You see it there. You can always contact me via there. You can ask any questions. I'm always ready to respond. So I don't know, take care of yourself, guys. We meet in my next video session. So thank you very much for watching. Bye.